Hello everyone, welcome back to Hello Mr. Channel. What are you doing today? I hope that everything is going well for you. Di video kali ini kita akan membuat contoh lain daripada procedure text, yaitu cara membuat mango shake. Now everyone, let's prepare the utensil and ingredients. To make mango shake, actually we need some kitchen utensils such as blender, knife, plate, and glass. Meanwhile, for the ingredients itself, we need 1 mango, a glass of evaporated milk, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, and an ice cube. Now let's make it. First, you need to wash the mango cleanly. The second, peel the mango. The third, cut the mango into small pieces. After that, put all the ingredients such as mango, milk, and brown sugar into the blender. And then, blend it for about 1 minute. Next, you can add ice and blend for another 2 until 3 minutes. After that, pour the mango milkshake into the glass. Finally, mango shake is ready to drink. Well everyone, that's all the example of procedure text of how to make mango shake. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.